So here's a quick fix to the failing Drake off-road. Okay. Cut this POS wire on there. Take them off like so, right? And get you some of these pins that they sell. I forgot what the name of them are. Latch pins. They're equivalent to an M8, but they eliminate the locking pin and the failing ball bearings that don't allow you to open your hood anymore or lock it, whichever the case is. And in here, all you gotta do is line it up like so. Oops, can you hold this? There you go. Line it up and it can be a temporary fix or it can be a permanent fix, whichever you want to do it. But cut it off, get rid of the problem. This thing's lasted me like, how long?
2 3 years.
2 3 years. Huh? I'll be generous. 3 years. I'll be generous. 3 years they lasted me, and you can see they're pretty worn out, pretty dirty. Failing design overall at the end. Quick fix. M8 pins. Let me get the right size. Hold on. So the right size for those would be, I got the 20-piece assortment from Harbor Freight, but the correct size will end up being the 5/16. This is that one, and it worked perfect. Let me see. I'm gonna try and loosen up the hood here a little bit. As you can see, there's no lifting it up and no jiggle, so it works like original, except now you can actually have access to your stuff whenever you want it.
Now you can come steal Roger's battery.
Well, either you could get to it or you couldn't. I'd rather get to it. Anyways, there it is.